in, we come in, we roll in.
We return.
We return.
That's
and dead people return, I want to
What do you mean dead people return?
We forward.
We forward.
Yo, we chat room full up here.
Yes.
Or that Dana.
Yeah.
Donny Park.
Yeah.
Lady and Ajax fan.
Yeah.
Magic Touch.
And big up to Yaka.
Yaka. But me can't see nothing.
The one them in I read.
Cause me no like the
Look
color
behind
red.
you, man. Lips and lip plus
Chris,
tongue, big up. Chris 98 Fire Sound.
King Fargo.
Yeah. No, it not say King Fargo, you know. It say King of all roots.
Oh, King of all roots.
My gosh.
Teletubby.
Yes.
And Trigger Bash me.
Yes.
Big up the whole on a good self. You don't know a lady and IG now.
Yeah.
Big up everybody over here. We there. We're there. We're back. We in.
In the
we're
building.
roping.
Yeah.
In the building. I were ready. Sound chat ready. I were attack anything Friday.
Yeah.
That we say.
So Ann.
Yeah.
So Ann.
Yeah.
Me get a song, you know.
You get a song?
Yeah.
Alright, go. Where you get it from?
Me get a song.
I will give you. So you never tell me I keep secret.
Don't worry about that, man. All courtesy attack anything Fridays.
That go on.
You know? Can we feature it?
Yeah, why not?
Number studio 718-554-8598. Let's roll out.
I'm my lady and dancehall first lady and Krave the alpha. I always say none of them no bad. Them no bad like we.
Okay.
Set trend and give them for swallow.
Alright.
And me say,
Lilia.
Krave.
Me say no. Hey, no,
Some boy pass bubble them twist up.
I'm my lady and dancehall first lady and Krave the alpha.
Sound it.
None of them no bad. Them no bad like we.
Okay.
Set trend and give them for swallow.
Alright.
And me say,
Lilia.
Krave.
Me say no. Ain't no bad.
Lie them a tell.
Me say no. Ain't no bad.
Talk anything Fridays. Hello, who's on the line?
Phone, brother and sister.
Hello.
Yes,
Bless
yes,
up,
my brother and
brother.
sister.
Bless up.
Yes, we are.
Bless up.
My
What's
brother
up?
and sister, yes.
How's everything?
everything copacetic.
Yes, definitely. Is this the caller where they put Lady Ann in line? Must say last week or week before last?
Go away, put me in a line, boy.
Both battery and top.
Thank you, sir.
Do you remember my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
telepathic memory, photographic memory.
Yes, sir. I always remember the chosen ones that put Lady Ann in line. Cause not many of them can do it, you know, brother. So when they call in and do it, you have to mark the vice, you know, and just give them the runway. How's everything?
Peter Metro can do it.
Yeah, Peter Metro bust a little one chops pan her, you know, so that's why I'm getting little rights for if you do that, you know.
Sure, me can't bother, you know, all them good things there.
You know?
And a Peter Mitchell alone, all of them bust chup on me. All him I call it too.
All him too?
Yeah, I call you.
My
Try
God.
for bust chups too.
John.
That's what I say. Eh?
It's just like a woman play.
Yeah, you see, like mother woman.
Yeah, mother, exactly.
Yes,
All she want now is a pencil in it.
Yes, that's Mother Ann.
Okay,
Mother.
whatever.
She will read it, you know, she can read it and all these things, you know.
Yeah, come and predict say you did mad already.
Oh, you look so nervous.
You did mad
Ann.
already, you know. You
Oh,
did
the
mad
big,
already.
oh, the big voice have you so nervous, and I walk on.
You go along about your business.
Oh,
You know you
wow.
have a problem. That's the weird man. Go and run off your mouth. One of them for Thursday you get tongue dug in
Oh my God, that's
So bless
it.
up,
Anyway,
yes, big
we're
bless
go
up,
on
brother.
with no sibling rivalry.
As usual, nothing no change, brother. Big up, yeah? Talk anything Fridays, man.
I'm my lady and dancehall first lady and Krave the alpha. I always say none of them no bad. Them no bad like we.
Okay.
Set trend and give them for swallow.
Alright.
And me say,
Lilia.
Krave.
Me say no. Ain't no bad.
Lie them a tell.
Me say no. Ain't no bad.
No trust them.
Me make dopey automatic from your fit, me I go clap it. Oh, if you come a war, we broke back ratchet 38 in a me pocket, pump it in a me jacket, Mac 10 in a me hand, ready for rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Snipers can't forget it, they make
Sound
me
it,
like
sound
magic.
it, sound
Pull
it.
up on your ends and rat-a-tat-a-tat it. Gangsters, no before fight at night. Me say no, them no bad,
Lie them a tell.
Me say no, them no bad,
No trust them.
Oh, stop blaspheme, dog. You come a road and a junkyard, and I tell people about your heart. Still you know no talk of your yard. Oh, beg you stop chat. Me bad from me born and me not stop say that. Boy violate same place in my drop, rat-a-tat-a-tat. Me say no, them no bad,
Lie them a tell.
Me say no, them no bad,
No trust them.
Me make double automatic from your flip, me I go clap it. Or if you come a war, we broke back ratchet 38 inna me pocket, pump it inna me jacket, Mac 10 inna me hand, ready to rat-a-tat-a-tat it. Snipers can't figure it, me make double like magic. Me pull up on your ends and rat-a-tat-a-tat it. Gangsters, no before fight at night. Badada ho, stop blaspheme, dog. You come a road and a junkyard, and I tell people about your heart. Still you know no talk of your yard. Oh, beg you stop chat. Me bad from me born and me not stop say that. Boy violate same place in my drop, rat-a-tat-a-tat. Me say no.
Them no bad.
I hear you.
Them no bad.
Although I just a little small feature you get
Well,
in the
nothing
hand.
wrong
Nobody
with that.
too
Me
hype
still
up
get it.
yourself.
No, me never hype.
You get one feature
don't- me don't get my little slice
on
off
the
of the
youngster
apple.
them trap now, you know.
Me don't get my little
You're
small
supposed to feel
slice.
good say a youngster draft here, no?
Enough youngster draw for me now.
I want juvenile draft here and dust you off and say, hold a new rhythm, hold some sad, you know?
You know, say no good smarty.
Yeah, man.
I don't like you know, my attention for fire you.
It's Talk Anything Fridays. Big up Lady Ann. You just heard. Big track.
So you have your notebook and your pencil ready to take notes?
Yeah, we can take notes.
Okay.
See? Special guest in studio today. Krave the Alpha.
Yeah.
The Alpha. Lady Ann,
See?
big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself. It's a pleasure.
No big me can't.
Get the G voice a little volume net. I talk a phone there. See?
Yeah, man.
It's-
Up and running.
There we go.
I go like him
Let's say
Fred
it there.
eye.
Let's say it there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Talk Anything Fridays, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We have a special guest in studio. You goes by the name of King Krave the Alpha, excuse me. You know? And before that, you heard a brand new track featuring Lady Ann. And you know, I was teasing Lady Ann saying that, you know, she get a little nowadays, you know? A little nowadays run. But however, listeners, we have him in studio. It's not like we always play the new artist them song and then nobody no see them no visuals and no who for match the face to the track too. So
right.
Krave the Alpha, what's going on, brother?
Yeah, man, we're there, man. It's a blessing for there. Talk Anything Fridays. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm not sure if Lady Ann warn you, but I'm sure the people in the chat room will warn you. Say, boy, it's a dangerous show.
Yeah, man, I watch a show every week.
Okay. So you know anything is possible more time later.
Right.
Talk Anything.
Enough
Yes,
one.
Talk Anything Fridays, and we may ask you anything at any time. You know, big up to all the Sound Chat Radios listeners. Big up to all the subscribers. If you are not subscribed by now, you need to. I don't know
right.
what you're waiting on, because if you miss all that show, you know, with Krave the Alpha, you know, there's gonna be a time where you want to listen to the show when the youth song take the world by storm and I say, yo, when me see this or when me hear that or just subscribe, man. You can see all the exclusive interviews, all the, spontaneous interviews at soundchatradio.com, entertaining with music and educating through conversation. And like I said, today, we're going to have a little conversation with a brand new artist. You goes by the name of Krave the Alpha. Where did you get that name, brother?
Well, sir, I just buy meds and watching the whole vibes, and everybody just crave something.
Right. Right.
And like Lady and say, she knows say, and me are the alpha.
Right.
And the world knows say, me are the alpha, so obviously the world have to crave the alpha. So.
Sing. So it's a nice little word play for the name of these things. How long have you been at this music thing? Because every day we see new artists, Every day a new artist rising. Yeah.
Me did originally start out in the producing thing.
Right. Production.
Behind the scenes, watching everything, watching the meds and but that never really work out with the whole of the artists them. We all know how artists can hard for work with some of the times.
So when you say production side, where you the build rhythm or just
rhythm production,
organize the arts and rhythm
the
and
whole process from start to finish, but that never work out. But back in think around 2018, so I start take it up serious.
Right. And say book to pencil.
Well, brains to rhythm.
Whoa, hold on. Yosh, because we see Yosha, enough time I clown the artists, them will claim say them not right and them I work with them brain meds. Are you really one of these artists where meds your music and not really have to go pen to paper?
Alright, put it this way. You see if me have a pen,
yeah,
I don't know where paper there.
Really?
Yeah, me not right.
Everything is...
No, I listen to the rhythm.
Yeah.
My meds the rhythm.
Right.
Meds the rhythm. Listen to the notes, listen to it, and the energy I feel. I bring that forward.
Okay, so you build your structure around the rhythm itself.
Tomorrow I wake up and I don't remember the meds I did have yesterday.
Right.
I just do one of the quick one, them dash with that and remeds it. And when it stick, I hit that.
Okay.
So I don't really rush my craft. Like, so when I love, so I take my time and passionate about it and deal with it on that level there.
Right. So this track, the previous track that we were just playing, Lie Them I Tell, this is your production or is it someone else that on the outside will do the production side?
Well, the rhythm there, big up my version them, down my yard there.
Same.
Yeah, sort out the rhythm for me.
And same time.
Me hear me say, me need, make him know exactly what me, deal with it, according and
him knock
you
it.
See me? I'm knock it out of the park. And
so how did you come across Lady Ann now?
Lady Ann?
Yeah.
Dancer.
Yeah, because we know Lady Ann is not someone that usually in the streets and she don't really answer phone call like that and them look at thing and she faced it.
Yeah, the queen,
Slightly faced it.
Queen, you have to come to the queen with respect.
Rank.
A queen, you have to treat queen with respect.
Okay.
You see what I say?
Alright.
Treat a queen how she should be treated.
Seen. You hear that, Lady Ann?
Yeah.
Yes, that one big up.
They alone are
You see? Now my Lady Ann ratings up, man. But she will do a dancehall tour in Connecticut.
Right.
Yeah, because I live in New York, originally from Connecticut. But we do a dance.
What part of Connecticut are you from?
Stratford, Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Represent for the whole of Connecticut.
What's the reggae scene like up there? As for you, like a new artist?
It go on, man. We have a whole heap of talented youth over there, man. I do them things.
Okay.
And I lock down the place.
Okay.
Yeah. But like me say, she, Lady and Sister Shami,
Right.
God rest her soul.
Right. Oh, so you know Shami.
Jigsy, King, Megabont, and the world ended pass through and bless up the place. And
yeah, big up Jigsy. Jigsy won me about $47. Jigsy betting upon the 76ers and losing. So. Anyway, you say Jigsy, make sure.
And so, from there, so the link make on thing, So, but this is timing and timing. I'm find the rhythm, I'm find the right song, and I know say,
yeah.
The song I need a proper endorsement.
Right. Is this your only body of work?
No, that song actually gonna be one of the songs on the EP.
Right.
Coming out December 10th.
This year?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can actually pre-order it.
Right.
the 26th of this month, which is November,
Right.
and get ready.
Right.
We'll be streaming on all platforms. We're
Same.
already streaming on all platforms, from
Same.
Spotify to iTunes to Pandora to Tidal to
What about video? Any
videos.
visuals we can look
We have
forward
a
to?
few videos out. We have one video out actually,
Right.
but we're gonna have some videos that come out for back up with the EP and make the people them see the whole.
So what about Lie Them I Tell?
Lie them I tell.
Yeah. Or you know
Lie
what?
Them I Tell.
You know what? Lady on the night video.
The EP
say
will
it
come out
from
now,
now.
man. The EP. Oh, yeah, say Lady on, man.
Yeah, just say,
man, the video.
just say you don't want to see her in a video and that's all.
We just don't want to go into too much about
Yeah.
the thing, but it'll come.
It's in the
We have
works.
stuff
It's in the works.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you look, you sound like you're confident with that project, you know, brother. Because from outside, you say, boy, it's an EP, may I work on. And I said to myself, who the brother is an artist or not? Man say, yo, it's an EP, may I work on.
Yeah,
you know, and
I
this and a
like me said, that EP,
Yeah.
the whole COVID come in and some serious meditation go through and dash with some song and pick out some song. But
So why, all right, when you said dash for a song, why an
No,
EP?
wait,
why
wait.
you couldn't just go full album?
full album. Me's a new artist, right?
Yeah.
So what me have the right now is, me don't want to just force on the project, pound.
Right.
I go on the 15 minutes of fame. I want to listen to it, understand. This EP I gonna make you know exactly where me I come from, the type of artist me. This is the introduction to the album I work on,
Got
but
you.
me just want to,
EP,
introduce
that's
myself.
what-
Me gonna, understand where me I come from. Go and listen to this. Go and meditate. Go on,
Gain familiarity
fun
with
and
the people.
and
Yeah.
We have the
So-
EP I come.
So
We have
like
the
your
album I
music now, what genre of dancehall would you find your music now? Conscious music, gangster music, is it dancing music or more say on the religious side? Where would
Conscious
you put your type of music? Hold the line. Yeah, go ahead. Where would you put your
like me I
music?
say now, I never just, and you get to understand this from the EP also. And
Yeah.
I just, me's a music lover. I love music.
Right.
You see me, so there's no box, if you say whatever.
Yeah,
but
it's just
within this EP, you'll get that sweet, conscious music that make you go and hold our meds.
See.
And say, yeah.
See.
You'll get that gangster music if you know all rough up on yourself and go and hang out and whatever. You'll get the little broke out skin out.
Okay.
You'll get the little sweet love song the way Valentine's Day when you send that to your wife, she say, yeah.
Good to
The
go.
boy, you're mad over me.
Sin. Talk anything
also,
Fridays. Who's
yeah.
on the line? Sorry.
Yeah, hi. My name is Alvita. I'm just calling to request some music.
Yes,
Um,
Alvita.
Is the name of the music is Forever Young by Timmy Love.
All right, Alvita. We'll try to get that on for you here.
All right, thank you so much, and God bless.
Alvita, hold on, don't hang up yet. Oh, yeah, move so fast. Slow down.
Okay.
We have Crave the Alpha in our building, you know, Alvita. And more
Okay,
time
no
when
problem.
we have artists in our building, we have to show them love, you know. So we just
Definitely,
want you
definitely.
give Crave the Alpha a little big up, you know. But try it,
Okay.
you know. Don't really go
Yeah.
around the artist, you know, because, you know, it's a young artist, you know. Right?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So bless up
Respect.
yourself, yeah?
Yeah, you too. And God bless and, stay safe.
Yes, you too. Bless.
Yeah.
Yeah. Talk anything Friday. So, Crave,
Yeah, man.
now, musical influences. Who are some of your influences in the music?
Alright, that's why I tell you, say, I have such a wide range of music coming though. Growing up in a Christian household, but you know, you have a sound on the corner, you have a sound on the bend, you have a sound up the lane, so
Right.
me hear all different kind of music. But first, me used to hear the great Bob Marley I play, but me didn't really understand the meds because it did too big for me at the time, but me still grew up on it.
Right.
Yeah, me still hear the Bounty Killer, you know, the hardcore rough up thing. Still hear Mr. Sanchez and them and they sing and you know and them do them thing and
Yeah.
hear like a
Yeah,
hip-hop
so
over
it
here
was
and
more-
there.
it was
So,
more
yeah,
90s,
so
more of a
'cause,
90s feel.
me a 80s baby, so you see me, so that's the music when I grew up on. But still, me listen music with like bigger than me, older than me. It's like
Right.
that's why me have the respect for lady and cause me see what she do from then before we
Yeah,
have social
yeah.
media and all of them. So, you know?
From them
Yeah,
time
so-
until now.
Yeah, so like them people that really
Yeah.
influence me towards wanting to make music versus just songs like just
Yeah.
get it right.
Something will last.
Yeah.
Something will last.
Yeah, and that's what this EP trend is all about. Like me say, it'll come out December 10th when you can pre-order it on the 26th of this month, November.
Right.
So,
As far as performances, where are some of the places you've performed? Are you working on any like even say like displays or any like pop-up shows or anything like that?
well, we do performances in Connecticut. Like I say, we're based in Connecticut, Bronx.
Right.
We do a show over in Brooklyn with Ching Ching for his birthday party earlier, and we have another show come up in Brooklyn actually.
Right.
December 4th.
See,
So that will help, if we push towards the EP. and
Definitely.
We have some whole powder working in
Yeah.
the pipeline, I'm open for bookings also. So
Yeah.
know?
So when you say open for bookings, how can some of your fans or some of even Sound Chat listeners get in touch with you?
Well, all them have to do is link me up on IG.
Mm-hmm.
Krave_music.
Sure.
KRAVE
Right.
_music.
Right.
Or Krave the Alpha.
Krave
right
the
up
Alpha.
on IG.
Krave the Alpha.
Yeah.
So like we said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have Krave the Alpha in the building on Talk Anything Fridays. The great lady Ann. So I go on Ann.
They are listening to your interview
Yeah.
with the youngsters, and that's good. Like you say, you have to just get the young youth them a break. You have to just push them.
Yeah.
The verse of them sound good, and not the microwave song them, but good song where we can listen to. Yeah.
So
That's what I talk about.
so would you categorize Krave as a microwave artist or an artist where we stick
Well,
around?
so far me hear it not sound bad. Someone says a microwave song.
Same.
The song when me call microwave, a song when me say, what the hell is that?
Yeah, he here
Them
today,
me call
gone tomorrow.
microwave.
Yeah, cold tomorrow.
Yeah.
See. So any questions for Krave?
No, really, no, me leave all of that to you. Are you for do all of
Yeah,
that?
I'm asking my full 100 already.
No, me not no question for asking. Me just want to tell him, say, just keep the good music and just promote himself, push himself. Kind of body now, go do it for him, no free for spend for him
Definitely.
career.
Definitely.
If that you have to do for get there, just do it way you have to do for get there,
Yeah.
and you will get there, and
Yeah.
not give up.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah. So like how we have Krave in our building. Remember the week before last we'd have a question and me and you split down the line with the question.
Which
We'd have
question
the
again?
battery question.
Oh, you still around the battery
Yeah, man,
already?
ask the G about it. Ask him.
All right. I will go again.
Yeah.
When 5 men have sex with a girl without her will, what you call that?
Rape. Right?
Yeah, RAP. R-A-P, RAP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica, we say battery. When more than one man have sex with one girl, we call it battery.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Explain to our Krave.
No.
Please, brother.
Lady,
brother Krave.
Lady Ann. Dancehall first lady. With
A
all due
battery.
respect.
It is battery.
My queen. With
Please
all due
explain.
respect.
No, it's
Let me-
battery.
Let me, alright, this
It is battery.
Alright, I'm gonna show you my take on it.
Mm-hmm.
Battery a battery and rape a rape.
So which one a battery?
Jamaica them have rape and them have battery.
Yeah, so which one a battery?
America them have rape and them have train.
So which one a battery?
Okay. You remember when me say exact me and this man never hold a can exactly what me
So
tell you
which one
week
a
before last and the
battery?
exact same thing
Which
the
one
man
a
tell you.
battery?
Yeah.
And when you put the negative and the positive and the two of them say yeah, or the 4 or the 5 or the other lead them say yeah.
But she never say yeah.
No, but she not say no. Alright, look.
She
Alright, look.
Jackson brother on
You
her
bring a
branch
girl
people.
over your yard. Alright, look. She know the thing set up and you bring a girl over your yard. And she walk in and she say,
But we
fine.
not
Wait,
talk
now me a
about
talk,
it.
but wait, now about you a talk about, you know, and rape, you know, in the same instance. So you bring a girl over your yard and she stays and step in and she say 5 man in her yard and she say, blow, this not look right. Yo, Krave, I go on, you know. And I say, no, baby, you're good, man. I want to you. I'm my place, you know. And she come in your room and you and her dating and she leave. Or she come in your room and the other 4 man them out there feel like them want to come in and you allow them to do it and she say no and whatever and that a rape.
Battery.
That, no, that a rape.
Battery
Rape.
plus
No,
rape.
no. That a 4. That a now 4 man rape her and you incite it. So you just as
But you
guilty.
know, so when they go to the
hold
court,
on now,
the
wait on
judge
now,
will
hold on now.
charge
She
for
not-
battery.
That a rape because she never invite the other 4.
Yeah, but you know, say when
Alright,
they go in
you
front
see-
of the judge, a battery charge her
No,
do.
no, you can't get charged.
No.
Why you can't get charged
You
if she
can't
lock
get
you
charged.
up?
No,
If
look.
it's willfully.
No, I'm not
Really?
talking about willfully.
You see, when she step in and she see the other man them and she stays and she go in the room and she say, I say, yo, I'm a dog them, man, I want to you, man, you know, say, I'm my place. I'm going and I deal with my thing and the other man them stays and look and I say, yo, and she say, yeah, you don't want to come in or whatever and them going, that a train, that a batch.
Yeah, but me not talk that way. Me not talk about it, she agree.
What way?
If she not agree, or rape.
Yeah, rape.
Yeah, but do you, it says
that.
rape. But do you know that when you go to charge for it, it's called battery in the court?
Yeah, that I just hold them legal
that's
terminology
why
because rape
that
might sound too aggressive for the
Exactly.
victim at the time and then they want to further traumatize the victim, so they might just say, you know.
Okay.
Yes, but at the end of the day, battery and training they fall in the same category where everybody agree to the thing and rape I just force on yourself and you know that not gonna work.
Thank you. Thank you. Fully explained
Krave
to you.
the alpha.
Straight.
That me say.
You heard it.
Yeah.
You heard it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So it's Talk Anything Fridays. We told you, always have a special guest, some kind of surprise for you.
Always.
Shouts to everyone locked into the
just
chat
like
room.
Surprise.
Shouts to everyone locked into the chat
Yes,
room.
lip and tongue,
Donny
Maca
Park.
One Pop, Magic Toad, Reds,
Ites.
Reds, and
Red as.
Reds, me can't bother the as. No red as.
Red as O2.
No red as about ya.
You know, you should be one of those artists too that don't write song in a hand.
And when me young, I never used to
You
write
don't look
song.
like you can't read too good in a hand.
When me young, me can't read good, but me can't spell.
What?
Me can't read very good, but me can't spell.
You can't. You can read very good,
But me can't spell.
but you can't spell. For shame on yourself.
For what? If you can't read good?
Your chip lick.
Yeah, mad man.
Yeah, your brain a malfunction.
No, me can't read very good.
Yeah.
When me younger, oh God, reading was such a hobby. As soon me get older, I stop
You
reading.
give it up.
Yeah.
Once you realize that there's a thing called Netflix and YouTube.
Always me that novel in my hand.
Yeah.
Hollywood wife, Hollywood husband, ride and fall of Idi Amin, Flower in the Attic. I read all of them books there. Me that reading partner named Barry, but I think Barry live at Connecticut now. We younger Jamaica. Every week me and Barry
Swap
exchange
book.
novel.
Good thing
Love
that
read
one.
when me young.
So that
But me can't spell for save my life.
Oh, so that wouldn't help you for writing the lyrics then. You just
No,
read
me
and
can
then
write.
just go
But
through
me
your
never, when
brain.
me younger, I never used to write song. Me still just going on this tune and
And
this
mid
DJ.
song too.
Yeah, but now as when me start touching on my 30s, me realize say me have to start right now because me not remember.
Too much
nothing.
idea going in your
Yeah,
brain one
me
time
start
and make
right.
it thing. Okay, you know them have pill for that, do it, man.
Pill?
Yeah,
For
memory.
nothing about what I remember. Me just have to write them down for know them now.
So how Alpha not for right down
him
for
young,
you
him
think?
still young, him born at the 80s.
Yeah, no
Me
matter
born at
that,
the
man.
60s.
A brain is a brain.
Him born at the 80s, me born at the 60s.
Yeah, it's a 20
So
year
that means
difference.
him brain younger than mine.
So what that mean?
That mean him can't do it.
But you
when
not
me the
smoke,
young
you
like
not
him used to
smoke,
do
you
it.
not drink.
I used to smoke.
Huh?
I used to smoke. Me tell you why I stopped smoke, right?
Why? All right, forget
Batteries
about that part.
causing
then.
physical harm to someone. So then I just put it in the chat room there.
Yeah, then I go by the American levels of speaking.
Courthouse term.
Yeah, exactly.
But in Jamaica, battery they call it though. When me
Yeah,
a grow up,
battery, but in Jamaica, what we say?
Lady
when a
are
man come out and
mixing
say,
up battery and rape. No, I'm not there
Thank
now.
you.
you see a Jamaica when a man come out and say,
But me there
we
Jamaica
just
there now,
battery
so
a
them
girl,
call it 5 man just
that means
battery a
the girl
girl.
can say, yeah.
She free up.
We can say whatever. Me just fuck off them 5, whatever.
Just
whatever.
like that.
Just like how the man them are claim. That
Simple.
we mean by
Simple.
battery. We're not talking
Simple.
about textbooks, terminology. We're talking about industry,
Yeah.
street
In the street,
code,
yeah.
whatever. In
You understand
Jamaica,
a part,
that we
lady?
mean when that we are
From me
saying.
a grow up
Say
battery, them
battery.
call it.
Yeah.
When I rape a girl, I want to force on herself on the wall her down and take it. Whether
Yeah,
I
that
want
a
to
wall
her in
on her
her
take.
face or
Lady, I
not.
need
Once
to
she say
get
go and she say no.
Tied?
Isn't it?
That's
Yeah,
what she
it's a
said,
different
tied?
thing.
Tied, she said?
Yeah.
Me forget tied?
Yeah, tie up.
Why? Why you want to tie me up, red ass?
Some, you
Red
know,
ass,
some
you have
nowadays.
something against me, you
some
wicked to
nowadays
me.
roughness, you know.
Me no need it.
Yeah, it's Talk
Too
Anything
old.
Fridays.
And my
Turn it
skin,
up,
look
people.
at my skin, it show about abuse easily. See my skin?
Yeah.
You see my skin?
Little cream
complexion,
can
look.
help that, man. Little cream, little
Show butter
lotion.
blues
Just
easily.
a little bit of lotion.
Me no need no lotion, no.
Yeah.
Show butter abuse easily. So me no need no time. Every time the mark or left on my skin. So why you want time? What me do you? What me
Talk
do you?
Anything Fridays.
Yeah.
Hey, trouble in a trouble in a.
Where humility is plenty, growth is a must.
Nation.
When
you see me also looking like my last, yeah. In the last, me just a looking at my thoughts, and pray some things that people don't mean out the past. Now act like some are perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before the COVID thing done up for them, I wear a mask, yeah. Watch them kill it as them try go round the bus, yeah, yeah. Loyalty come with the cost, and if you asking how I love it on me heart. But anytime your heart too big, my lad, then we take you for a fool, and this is why me not like humans. This is why me not like humans, no, no. And me can't do trust no girl when me remember what she do, man. This is why me not like humans. This is why me not like humans, no, no, yeah. Now the people them will style me as the
Sound it.
Me forgive but not forget, but kind of for them are some praise. The only thing my beg the Father protect me from enemies, alright. Always put my kills and my base. Enough time me get lonely, but company at the
Redders have against me. Redders, somebody in over here where you want, when me I take, nobody over here me not take for your Redders. Oh, me Redders, but big up yourself. That mash our big tour, chat bout. What mash my big tour?
And stay focused.
Okay, me stay focused. You want to go on there?
Yeah, Talk Anything Fridays.
Talk Anything Friday.
First lady of dancehall in the building.
That's what I talk about. My sound quality not select a princess. Me don't know where I go on with it.
Yeah, we'll set it.
Am I one? Pop me this.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Pop down,
yeah.
iRig.
Me don't know this. Me don't know where I go on with this.
Yeah. You don't know when you have teeth, if you teeth good things.
I don't mean teeth.
Sure, no, man.
You know, they should bring me one and I bring it up here. Promise.
Yeah, but me see what I knew.
Promise to promise is a comfort to a fool. You take me and use me like a mule. A little
and
you know,
say you're not gonna get no more feature. If you are DJ them old style.
Them me the old.
No, you have to up to the time.
Me old.
You have to update it.
Me old.
Yeah,
me
but
no want in and out.
Yeah, but the youths them no
want
them
stay the same. Me wine them stay the same. Them
see how corrupt that woman is. You see why me have to deal with her, sir.
Me wine them stay the same and them
Krave,
good.
You see why me have to deal with her.
Vintage wine is very good and expensive.
Yeah. It's Soundtrack Radio, entertaining with music and educating through conversation.
Move up.
You know, number to studio 718-554-8598.
Ajax love trouble and him say him a the real troublemaker.
Yeah.
So sometimes trigger Ajax need to get some trouble boy. Yeah, that me a talk about. Ajax not no behavior, you know.
Yeah. So what's been going on in the news? Because we have Krave now, we now make him cut it so easy now. He have to go close out the show
with the news. Yeah. A lot of things are going on in the news. Lady saw did say she never bother want the devil money, and no, she said she want the devil money. And
what you mean by she never want the devil money?
She said the money that they ranch and she never want them no more.
Oh, if him left money and they stab out her meat money,
and him
them money there was devil money.
The devil money and she don't want them no more. Some of them know what? No, she cry for them. She want the money, I know.
Really?
Some of them know what go on marry and
really? Krave, what you think about that? As far as the devil money thing go, suppose now, like how you just start out as an artist, I mean before you were doing your production. Yeah. As you starting out maybe 2-3 years fresh in the business, you do some songs where bust were big time. Yeah. Have you a tour all about the place? 10-15 years later you find God. Yeah. And say boy, yeah, move away from certain music and a check suppose to roll in for you and you turn back the check because you say boy, a devil's money that. How you feel about that?
Can't be devil money if I never a devil made that work for.
Okay.
And that means that she that working with the devil, she knows something when me don't know. Because, all right, I'm going to say this. I think she's ungrateful to the music. And why I'm going to say she's ungrateful to the music.
And don't speak, hold on. Don't speak from an artist's point of view. Because when you speak from an artist's point of view, you start to sound a little bitter. More when you speak from a fan's point of view.
I'm speaking from a fan's point of view.
Because remember he's a female artist.
Yes, I'm speaking. No, I like Lady Son. I like some of her song. But what I'm saying, this music take you out of poverty so you could have able to buy your mother a house and your sister them and your brother them can live good. And now you are say the music is devil music and blah blah blah. That means you did not work for the devil.
No, but your Krave just gave the perfect analogy. Krave sent all of them money there. I never a devil in my work for.
That's what me I said, but that's why I said look like she did a work for the devil, because why she classified as devil music. If me,
but I know the devil did buy the ticket them.
But I saw she make it
I know
sound.
the devil them did buy it.
She would throw away the crown. Come on.
Which crown?
The crown where them the crown are queen of dance hall. That mean you don't love the people, and the people them love you so much till they give you this crown. And you take this crown and throw it away and say you don't want it, and devil think, come on, ladies, Mariana.
So you feel like
me baptized and me turn my life to God. That crown there, me I put up now one box and put up and make me pick them and my grand pick them seat and put on display. I would never throw it away, because that mean you and let me tell you something about this music. You have to be careful, you know.
Yeah.
The music have sense, you know.
Meaning?
It's like somewhere and somewhere we don't like, you know.
Right.
Should we want to come back even at the Christianity part and not go on, you know?
As in like Carlene Davis. Well, Carlene Davis, no, because she usually the bun song.
Yeah.
So Carlene Davis did switch over to the Christian side.
But Carlene Davis never talk like she.
No, but she the bun song.
Yes.
She did the first bun song in her business.
Yeah, so when I say this music will turn it back on you, and like you try and work hard for that song, you will never get it. The music is life, you know.
Right.
Hey, let me tell you how me know say music a life. Me have this friend named Vidalin.
So
right?
to you know where your hit song.
Hold on. I'm gonna explain.
Hold on. Your hit song now, right? Is something like Boy Upon the Corner in Farm.
Yeah.
Remember you say you classify that song as somebody that's paying attention to your relationship.
Not my relationship.
Alright. Any relationship.
Yeah, somebody relationship.
A gunman will take it up on himself and say, no, that boy you carry news to police for me.
But if you listen to the content of the song, I wasn't inciting any violence.
Yeah,
right?
When you're going at the fight against you and the lover part.
But because them a fight against me and my lover. But let me explain something to you. I know say music is life. And it take a friend named Vidalin all these years to make me know that. I lie. It take me as a young girl, but me never understand. We're going at that next time. Vidalin Sanchez sing a song. I don't remember the song, but one of the Sanchez song. Every time we go Osalia a stall of dance, and Vidalin hear the song that play, she cry.
Why?
And our dear father Patrick the just left her too for the Igla girl.
Why would she cry then?
Because she feel. Actually, I remember one of the Sanchez, and I'm missing you much. I want another one. And I talk to you, but it's not this. Was it that one? I don't think of that one, another one. And every time Vidalin hear that song, she would cry. And I was like, oh my God, this girl is feeling this song. So music is something where, you know what baby make out of music?
Of course.
Yeah, when she say it's raining, my body's calling, I'm in need of a girl. What do you?
Wally pa baby ban.
Wally pa baby ban out of that all one. If him left, follow my pum pum, follow you on the pa. You know what girl skin out to that?
Of all you too.
Not really.
Don't lie. And stop it, man.
Me dance it, yes. When she did a stage show and me got the front of the stage, me and my crew them and go cheer her on. Because we used to go cheer her on.
No, aside from cheer her on.
Me never really like that one. Me never really like that one. Me like the one with she and...
Spragger.
No.
Backshot.
No, me like the one with she and being me, man. Me didn't really like that. And me did like Ilza and I have to give her credit. She come and she do her thing and she good at it. But you see, sometimes, you know, me not gonna talk. No, me know all the things what me can talk, but I will not
talk anything
if
Fridays,
but I still can. Because if I do this, if I say it, people gonna say me bad mind and me this and
yeah, that's what. But you have to go say you talk from a fan's perspective.
No, me not talk from a fan's
artist.
perspective. No, me I talk from a artist
Yeah,
part.
well,
And lady song, no.
Look a bad man
Lady
and chip in
song.
then.
Me I talk about lady song. I'm not talking about Minister Marian all. No, we are talking about lady song. Lady song know what I am talking about.
All right.
She know what I am talking about. You see, sometimes that's why them say it's when you see a man with him big house and him big Benz, don't grudge him for it because you don't know how he get it, what he do to get it, and to achieve it. But she know what I am talking about. And you know, and sometime in life them say, see I'm blind here and therefore keep you out of trouble, mind your own business, no trouble, no trouble.
And oh, you always lucky to see them moment, you know. You're always, always present.
You know why?
When certain figures are going.
Remember, I was there before a lot of them. Mm-hmm. I'm in the business from a young age. My mother put me out from me at 13-year-old, some are going at the street. Mm-hmm. Some of them from studio to studio, I know everybody. See. I've been through some rough time and I've been through some little good time. I think me go through more rough than good times in my life.
So this isn't a good time now?
It's alright. It's alright.
Krave the Alpha.
It's alright.
Me.
It's alright.
Sound Chat Radio. This is not a good time.
Yeah, it
so
is.
Stop complaining, man.
I am not complaining. Yeah. But I'm just showing you sometime them say I know everything good for talk. So me just leave some things not saying.
Right.
Because sometimes when if you should come out and say XYZ, people say you're bad mind and you decide that, so you just leave some things alone and let it be. Mm-hmm. But she knew what me knew.
Right.
And she knew what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. But I like her. I me get to meet her before she bust, because she did a stay run at the Kingston 13 era, and she got through some things around there too, which not some pleasant things also. It and like you said, the 13, it's not good for females. But when she say a devil music, she know why she say a devil music. She did that sing because she know why she did that sing them devil music there, and I'm going to leave it at that.
Okay, if you say so. Talk Anything Fridays, number in studio 718-554-8598. Boy, it's like nobody's speaking of the past, I know.
The past.
Like everybody forgot about the past. Remember as him dead, everybody jump up. Oh,
but a
conspiracy, him not dead.
Yeah,
but aside from 90 attack, them a jump. Everybody that say, oh, him not dead. Set it up. In Ghana, Cuba,
and that's the
Ghana,
problem with Jamaican, and that Jamaican.
We not see no blood, we not see no body.
Remember? And that's our problem.
So where's the conspiracy theories now?
Everything we have conspiracy theory for. Everything is
all you that say it.
I never said that.
You say
I never said that. I never care about that man. Listen to me. I have never say anything about that man.
You said there's a possibility in not dead.
No, I couldn't say that because I said the man on the stretcher.
Come on,
Earjax, don't lie on me. Earjax, zip up.
Earjax,
no.
People in the chat room can tell you.
The people in the chat room can say me say so.
I
never said that. Me said the people them say I never.
And me know you that change your mouth.
Me said the big dirty man on the stretcher.
Yeah, you say you know sin of blood, so the man could not not dead. And you say, oh, them broke him neck in I car. Oh, him fire shot in I car. Oh, them take him out I car and him gone to Cuba.
Why
you said that.
Leave it to
you said that.
No more lean boot, we done with it.
You can't change the subject.
Me not change it to just wicked and lie. Somebody say Earjax play a Krave song, no play it. And then a liar told me you're too lie.
You're too jumpy. As you see something type on the screen, you're running.
Yes, wipe your frat.
That's why you need to read good.
Go drink water, your mouth a chump frat.
No, that's water. That's water.
And water in the room.
That's water.
Me say, me don't like to know your mother. Me da beat her, you see.
For a big, no, you can't beat my
mother. Me da beat her just serving you.
You can't beat my
mother. Me da beat mommy just say, where your mother name?
Water was my mother come from Jackson.
Where your mother name?
My mother is stepping on your neck.
All of that too.
Twice your size.
Me know. But where your mother name?
She's not a fat woman.
Me say where your mother name?
She named my mother. That's her
my
name.
Mother?
Yeah.
Me say.
Yeah.
Me da beat if you have that troublemaker, yeah.
Really?
Me da fight her just to have you.
You know me want to fight?
Who?
Your hairdresser. Yeah. Me need to beat her.
But me not have her ear.
Yeah, the one who set the purple wig for you. Would I beat her?
A Jamaica me send you make it.
Yes.
A Jamaica me send you make it. But my purple wig fit me. It look beautiful.
You know who else would I beat?
What?
The somebody who gave that wife beat her.
I'm a doctor wife beat her.
Yeah, man. Look, me and she.
Yeah, true. White clothes all. I chew Earjax. Me here, you're too lie, Redas. You know some Redas, me feel Redas.
Tell you.
Me never said that, Earjax.
And you did say it. You did say it.
I said the people them say them have too much story. Everybody have their own story and nobody don't know anything. Earjax.
All right.
Me not talk what me don't know, you know.
And
Yeah, Jax, I don't talk what I
Magic
don't know.
touch, magic touch.
Magic touch,
Do
you
you
know me never
remember
say so.
when Lady Anne was in studio and she was saying, oh, the pastor not dead, oh, this a setup, oh, it's a conspiracy, oh, the pastors are Illuminati, them not see nobody, you know, yes, them,
yeah,
yeah,
let's
Jax,
offer the show from now.
yeah, Jax, you know, yes, they left, them can't find the body, yeah, because
Me,
they
yeah,
moved
Jax.
him from here to there.
Yeah, Jax, why you have to tell life for me to get a forward?
No, but I'm telling the truth.
Why you don't like me?
Crave.
Yeah.
What is your opinion on
She
this
said Crave
pastor
look
now?
confused.
No, because Crave know you're lying.
Fire sound, him not confused. Him know you just a tell life for me.
Crave know you're lying.
Such a stereotype.
Well, outside and Crave and tell me say boy your thief all him lyrics. You're lying. Yes.
What?
The man say a thief piece of him lyrics.
Who for lyrics?
Crave lyrics.
How sure?
And you and Tilly Bang sing it back.
Not true?
It's Talk Anything Fridays, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Number in studio 718-554-8598. Lady Anne in the building, Crave the Alpha, brand new dancehall artist. You know what it go.
What chin get me in a father
You know,
God?
call in and make you know people want to think. When you think the pastor man dead or what? Because right now them really have
The
no
man
one
dead,
there.
yeah?
Oh, no, him dead. No, him dead.
Lady and say
You
him
want
dead,
cook
so
him,
the
give
same
you
day
Jackson
him
yam.
Can't cook no man give me for them, man.
You know what man you yam? You eat fish though. You know what man fish eat? You eat oxtail. You know what
fish?
man oxtail eat?
What you mean man oxtail? Who eat oxtail?
You know eat oxtail.
What is
You eat
oxtail?
curry goat?
Ox of tail?
Yeah, the cow. And the tail they call it ox.
Me no know of that.
You know how much man cow eat?
Where does the
You
ox
eat
shit
goat?
from?
You know what goat meat
never
man
eat
goat eat?
Never.
You drink cow cod soup in one cow body you drink?
No, you want Major Markle up on the line at about cow cod and not do that. Not do that.
You know what man you
Not
eat?
do
You
that.
eat chicken, you know what hen you eat?
No.
You know what man fowl you eat?
Man fall.
You know what man fish and yam? You know yam fish?
You don't talk.
No, me not done.
Go on.
You yam swine, pork, you know what man
remember
hog,
the
you yam?
first week you come round here, you eat tofu and done off chin toilet paper. Remember that, Ann?
Yeah, wicked.
Remember that time?
Yeah, wicked. Yeah,
Remember?
wicked.
And you say tofu tastes like plastic.
Me?
Yes.
Me never sit and cook no tofu round here. You too lie.
No, you bring tofu round
Me
here.
never bring none round here.
Eat the
yet,
tofu and lock in my bathroom for about half the show. And you
yeah,
forgot.
Jax, me no do a road. Cause when me don't do me have to bathe. Yeah, Jax, when me don't do me have to bathe, so me no do a road.
Too much information.
Me no do a road. Come here, enter me done. Me have to jump to the shower.
And you know how I know? You know how I know you're a liar?
Oh, you know me a liar?
When someone goes to the bathroom, right?
So I'm gonna wash me and so I'm gonna fix my
Yeah,
panty.
but why did you have the...
You know why my
remember,
panty them always small for me?
Yeah,
so me have to go to the bathroom
that I want. The panty twist up in your t-shirt.
Yeah.
Second thing when me notice, when you step out, is a trail of toilet paper under your shoes.
You know somebody liar.
So what you do with so much toilet paper if you never do? Yo,
Trigger, you do me so bad to them. Me not acquire.
One trail of toilet paper.
Trigger,
Crave,
me not acquire.
Crave, not tell the truth, Crave. One trail of toilet paper.
Lie them,
Yo, when she
Lie
left,
them,
you know,
Martin.
yo, me not even know said she didn't have the Ital air freshener them, you know, the man just plug in everything. A beer light, night bar, so
lie
beer
that
plug
tell
in,
you.
every plug in. Imagine
Jack.
the extension card,
Yeah,
yours.
Jack. Sometimes my panty
Candle
them.
in there,
You
you
see,
know.
through my body cock up. Sometimes the panty them hard to go up.
Yeah.
So I sit down them and ride down. So sometimes I go to the bathroom, go fix them, try to pull them up.
Usually women when their underwears is twisted at the waist. 'Cause I observe women.
Mine's
I
not
like
twisted
to
at the waist. They just not fit right,
I
see?
like to
Look,
observe. No, you
they
straighten
not
them.
fit
Hold
right.
on, no, you straighten them. But when the waist twists up, you can't tell is either they use the porta potty or they piss somewhere where it's not a restroom. So them have to look around and draw
mine's them
fast
tight.
and them little thing, you know.
Me should have buy them medium, but me buy them small, so they are little tight.
Oh.
So me have to go into the bathroom, go fix them and pull them on proper. Come on, like when them feel twisted, it's very uncomfortable.
No, the waist, just the waist.
No.
Matter about the waist. When the waist twists up, that means you didn't take time to use the restroom. You didn't take time to, you know, those little
No,
things.
Ajax, me go fix myself. Woman go powder them nose and fix themselves and dry the tunny. Me go dry my tunny. Yes, that me going to go do. And I do it. Me do it, me have to be it. Me no do the road.
And you know
Yeah,
what?
that me no shit a road.
And you know,
Yeah, that me no do the road.
once you pass 30, you are no longer allowed to call it a toonie.
A chunny?
No, you're not even
When
toonie.
I say pussy,
No,
that sound too vulgar.
no.
When I say bumbo,
That
that's
reaches.
a ass.
Huh?
Bumbo that a ass.
No.
It's chunny.
No.
It's still tight.
You would
It's still
have
good.
to refer
It's
to
still
it.
tight. It's still good.
No,
And it tastes
you would have
good.
to refer to it some
It's
type
fresh.
of gully bank
smell
or
good,
something
it
like
tastes
that.
good.
You know what those look at the cock your ears. Cock your ears. Cock your ears, my general. Cause right now I talk anything Fridays and I
Listen.
keep on watching clock, you know.
No, me not watch the clock.
And
When
once, listen to me. Once, let me talk. Once you are over 30,
Yes.
you are not allowed to call it vagina, tun,
Chunny.
none of those little fine, pretty names. None of that.
What
None of
must
that.
so tell me the name.
No.
What must I call it?
Dumper truck. Waste basket. Yeah.
A young girl for call waist basket because them still have period. Me not period no more, so me not no waist.
No.
Yeah,
When you go over 30,
I don't, but
when
I
you
don't.
go, or you
I
say
don't have
desert.
period.
You say my desert.
I don't have period anymore,
Desert
so I can't
class.
say.
You can't call it your desert.
Yeah,
Your desert class.
a chunny.
No, you can't call it chuni. Call it your desert.
A chunny.
Yeah. Call it your desert or your side room.
And them your desert, because them still stand up. Chunny.
Nah, answer you.
Why you want to hear that time, your brothers?
No, answer you.
Them your desert, because them still stand up. This a chunny.
And you cannot be grouping yourself. That's why we can't get guests in our studio, you know, and right now, me guarantee say Krave now come back at studio, you know.
I bet him
None
come back.
tall, you know.
Ma come next week.
Cause
Thursday
right now
for
you
your show.
traumatize the G, you know. We there talk about the G, EP, now you grab
chunny.
up breasts and all these.
And them your clocks, desert clocks. Cause little standing still left in
No,
them.
those are slippers.
Them not, I lie you tell like desert clocks.
Those are Uggs.
Cause no,
Ugg
desert,
slippers.
desert clocks.
You know, look a puffy front Ugg slippers.
Desert class, cause little stiffness still left in them. No, one pick me never breastfeed on the first one. Nobody no take breast.
Those
because
are.
me never have no milk in them for breastfeed. baby.
Those are bank
You have to show you?
robbers.
Let me show you some desert.
No, those are bank robbers.
Desert clocks.
No.
Play the man song, like you are telling. Desert. Out of yourself.
It's Talk Anything Fridays. We roll around the top of the
And a
hour.
Krave song that you play. Good.
No, we're then near top of the hour and relax now. And
Krave music, the people in my see them and say Krave music.
yeah,
like
but I want song we have
play
and
it
stop
again.
it.
Play it
Stop
again,
it,
cause
Ann.
you're liar. Lie you are
Me not
telling.
play it, you know. Me play it next Thursday now. Are you me I talk to Ann?
Why you
You're
not step on my case?
uncomfortable, so you try
No,
brush
me
it
not
off on
uncomfortable.
Krave.
Me not uncomfortable.
No.
Me fix myself good.
No, I'm not. Stop.
Me not full up. Me
No.
full up.
No,
Me not full up. You
No.
can't. Me not full up. Me full up. Go away.
no.
Ninja dirty clown, you just
No.
a lie, drive
No.
the life. Me not full up. Me full up.
And
bank.
please stop exposing yourself.
I am not. Here.
Please stop exposing yourself.
But boy, I call my good breast them bank robber.
Those are bank
They are
robbers.
bobby biters.
And
the
you know
two
what,
of them can't hold
you know what those are?
The two of them can't hold
Those aren't even original clocks. Those are the made in China clocks.
It's still stand up.
Made in China.
Them
Canal
still stand
Street
up.
clocks,
Them
yeah, big
still
man.
stand up.
Yo, shut
Them
up.
still stand up.
No, me not even
Them
talk to you
still
again.
stand up.
Me not even talk to you again.
Them still stand up. The two of them
Me
can't
not
hold
talk to you
them.
again.
The two of them can't hold them.
Clear that.
You can't just hold
Oh,
them.
say, none of them no bad. Them no bad like
Talk Anything Fridays.
Give them to swallow.
Hold on, whoa. Any final words? Any final words, Krave? And us there and us, you know, just be
No,
sure.
man, it's a joy for them, man. Like
Yeah.
I say, me tune in every Friday and watch your program.
Yeah, don't pay with no mind
to
and
be
that's how
here
we go on all the while.
In
you
the
know.
flesh and I take it in.
Yeah,
person.
so you see,
It's
say a real thing.
No,
It's a struggle.
No.
No,
You know? But you can't
you see
expect
the
to
G.
work with the queen and expect it to be a walkover.
It's a struggle.
Really, and big up yourself again.
Sometime-
Ajax, you work with the queen. If you show respect to the queen.
Sometimes I have to take a week off.
The first
you know,
lady
Krave.
at dance all that. She
Krave.
make the whole of them know say a lie. them a
Krave,
tell.
let me show you something. We have 30 seconds. You see, any week, Maroni, I'm in a rough her up.
Yeah.
You see a different story around that, brother. I tell you that. She walk all over me that. Every week, me have to dip on my P's and Q's, brother.
See the people them say at the court, yeah?
Yeah.
And my mic, the dirty drunk color come from
Yeah.
them. My good God.
Yeah.
I'm drunk on the mic. We are here.
Yeah, because me I try to hear the brother and you still a talk, man. Me mute you, man.
All right, mute me some more.
Yeah, it's closing now. Talk Anything Fridays. Do remember to take care of family and take care of yourself.
Play the man song.
Until something wrong with you in a hand. Until next week, do remember to take care of family and take care of yourself. Any final words, Lady Ann?
I same place, I same time, and I talk anything Friday. That way I talk about. Rather as me, I come look for you. Yeah. And big up on yourself and tell a friend for tell a friend, cause no, never know if you expect when we're there, you know. But that dirty drunk, you make a murder him.
Krave, big up yourself, brother.
And Krave, big up yourself and keep up the good work so don't get break out. Just keep doing it. And like we say, invest in yourself and that's how it there.
Yes. See it, just
the
like
EP Trend that come out, people, December 10th.
What's the name of the EP? Tell them again.
Trend.
Yeah.
Trend.
Yeah.
Streaming on all platforms, from Spotify to YouTube to Tidal to Amazon Music, everywhere.
Oh.
Up and running. Lie them I tell, Lady Ann, big up yourself.
Every time.
Thanks for the endorsement.
Dirty Angel.
First lady.
Wash your body
and
from
Krave the alpha.
Yeah, Jack.
I will say.
Up and